In court via video link, accused triple murderer Erin Patterson laid her cards on the table, formally declaring her innocence. "Not guilty, Your Honour," she said. A 4-word plea to 8 charges, paving the way for one of the most high-profile Victorian murder trials in recent memory. Today, Miss Patterson faced the Latrobe Valley Magistrates Court in Morwell, wearing a blue prison jumper and with her hair tied back. She opted to have the case fast-tracked to the Supreme Court, shaving about 12 months off the legal process. Magistrate Tim Walsh commented that police had compiled a large brief of evidence and it was a case that demanded the state's top lawyers. Miss Patterson is accused of serving 4 of her relatives a lunch laced with death cap mushrooms at her Leongatha home last year. Her former in-laws, Don and Gail Patterson, as well as Gail's sister Heather, died in hospital days after the lunch. Heather's husband, local church pastor Ian Wilkinson, pulled through after a stint in hospital. Miss Patterson has always protested her innocence.
I'm devastated. I love them.
The mother of 2 is facing 3 murder charges stemming from the fateful meal and 5 attempted murder charges. 1 for Ian Wilkinson, who survived the lunch, and 4 for her estranged husband Simon, dating back to 2021 in 4 different locations. The case now moves here to the Supreme Court in Melbourne, but before a trial can begin, there's still a lot that needs to be worked out, including the final witness list and decisions about whether certain pieces of evidence can be presented to the jury. And that jury of regular community members will determine whether Miss Patterson is innocent or guilty. The trial could take place next year. For now, Erin Patterson remains in a women's prison as her legal team plans her defence. Christian Silver, ABC News, Melbourne.